So guys, we have our audio track in the timeline. Let's unmute it and play. Hello guys, welcome to Premiere Pro Quick Fix. As you can see that only the right channel giving us the audio. So how to fix this problem? There are mainly three solutions. The first one, select the clip, right click, then go to audio channel. Then we know that our audio is at the right channel. So what will be the source for our left speaker? The right channel. If our audio was in left channel, we would have selected the left for both of them. Now as our audio is at right channel, so our source media is right for left and right speaker. That's why we check the right. Then press on OK. Now listen again and see this. Welcome to Premiere Pro Quick Fix. See, both channel have the audio. What's our second solution? Select our main source audio, right click, modify, audio channel, then change the preset to mono. Now click on OK. Yes. Now if we bring our main source to the timeline and play it. Guys, welcome to Premiere Pro. See, both channel have the audio. What's our third solution? Go to Effect, then search for Fill. We have audio at right side, so we will fill the left side with the right. So fill left with right. Now if we play again. Hello guys, welcome to Premiere Pro Quick. See, both channel have the audio. So that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.